It's your girl Cooking with Q for BLAC Magazine, and today I want to give you guys a super simple recipe that you guys can enjoy for lunch or dinner. We are making a blueberry walnut salad, very high in antioxidants and good for your life and spirits in 2021. Are you ready for it? Let's go. So my brain always says, how do we make things where it will satisfy all the taste buds? Because that's my biggest thing. Like, I want to have all the flavors, I want to savor them, and I want it to be amazing. So with this salad, I started with 50-50 greens. If you want to do a different type of greenage, do you, boo-boo. I tell everybody that all the recipes are living. You could do this with spinach, you could do this with kale. It is literally up to you. Today, I used the 50-50 blend. I am going to top this baby with some cucumbers, because cucumbers are super happy. They make me feel really well, and I will tell you this, cucumbers are good for, like, if you feel like you're having like hair loss or you need to strengthen like the growth of your hair and stuff like that. Cucumbers are an amazing thing to eat. I'm gonna also add some red onions because onions are bae, let's be honest. Then we're gonna top this baby off with some blueberries. Blueberries, high in antioxidants, really good for us. I'm gonna throw some craisins on there. And then for you, if you want with your walnuts, you can crush them or you can add them whole. I'm probably just gonna crush a few of them and put them on top like this, because I think this is a really, really, really good salad and it'll be really filling. The type of dressing that you're going to want to top this salad with, though, you're going to want to use like some type of a balsamic vinaigrette. So I just zhuzhed up a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette here, and that's kind of all I want to top this salad with. I think this is going to be very flavorful. It's going to make all the taste buds in your mouth super happy. And of course, it's an easy recipe to help you with anything health and wellness that you are trying to do for 2021. This is a very nice salad that you can have for lunch or for dinner or for a nice light snack. What you think? If you decide to make it, you already know, tag us in it, BLAC Magazine and Cooking with Q, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.